Introducing the 247Garden cut-resistant gloves. The purpose of a glove is to protect the individual's hands from the hazards of work. Composed of HPPE, spandex, and steel wire, it will be sure to protect your hands from every job, including gardening, packaging in a warehouse, and food handling. Used primarily for gardening, they also serve a multitude of other purposes. Composed of food-grade materials, you won't have to worry about unwanted chemicals being left behind. The 247Garden cut-resistant glove features a conductive layer, so you can also work your smartphone or touchscreen with minimal effort. If you'd be interested in learning more about our product, come visit our website at 247garden.com.